Good morning, everyone. Today I will tell about Trypanosoma cruzi. So I am past lecture continue. So let's start the topic Trypanosoma cruzi. Trypanosoma cruzi causing Chagas disease, which is acquired by rubbing the kisses of the vector bug into the wound, causing by the its bites and the Trypanosoma nemesis. The rat trypanosome, which is transmitted by the ingestion of feces of infected rat fly. Chagas disease. Chagas disease, also known as South American trypanosomiasis, is caused by the infection with the protozoan parasite Trypanosoma cruzi. The organism Trypanosoma cruzi and infection in humans were first described in 1909 by the Brazilian physician Charles R. J. Chagas. Now come in the habitat in humans. Trypanosoma cruzi existing in the both mastigote and trypanomastigote form. Mastigote are the intracellular parasite. They are found in the muscular tissue, nervous tissue, and reticuloendothelium system. This is a trypomastigote. Trypomastigote are found in the peripheral blood. In Reduvid bugs, epimastigote form are found in the midgut and metacyclic trypamastigote form are present in the hindgut and faces. Morphology. First stage is amastigote form. Amastigote form are oval bodies measuring 2 to 4 micrometer in diameter, having a nucleus and kinetoplast. Flagellum is absent. Then morphological it resembles the amastigote of Leishmania species. It is a frequency called as a Leishmanial form. Multiplication of the parasite occurs in this stage. This form is found in the muscles, nerve cells, and reticuloendothelium system. Trypomastigote. Trypomastigote are a non-multiplying form found in the peripheral blood of man and other mammalian host. In the blood, they are appear either as a long, thin flagellate, about 22 micrometer long, uh, and a short stumpy form, 15 to micrometer long. Then posterior end is a wedge shaped. In stained blood smear, they are shaped like alphabet C, U, and S, having a free flagellum. About 1/3 length of the body. These forms do not multiply in humans and are taken up by the insect vector. Third is the epimastigote form. Epimastigote form are found in the insect vector, the redwood bug, and in a culture. It has a kinetoplast adjacent to the nucleus and an undilating membrane runs along the anterior half of the parasite. Then epimastigote divided by binary region in hindgut of the vector. Life cycle of the Trypanosoma cruzi. Trypanosoma cruzi passes its life cycle in two hosts. First is a definitive host. Definitive host is a man. Second is a intermediate host. That is a vector, redwood bug or tri redwood bug or tritomine bugs. Reservoir host armadillo, cat, dog, and pigs. Domestic cycles in humans: redwood bug, Tritoma infestans, Rhodesiensis prolaxus, Pan strongyles megastatus, infective form metacyclic trypomastogote. Mode of transmission. Mode of transmission: night biting bugs, transmission of infection to man, and other reservoir host. When mucous membrane conjunctiva and bound on the surface of the skin is contaminated by the feces of the bug containing metacyclic trypomastoids. Then bug also blood transfusion organs, transplantation and vertical transmission from mother to fetus is very rarely by ingestion of contaminated food and drinking. Development in the man, tritomine bug stage. Tritomine bug takes a blood meal. Then metacyclic trypomastoid introduced in humans body by white of redwood bug invades the reticuloendothelial system and spread to other tissue. Second, that is a human after passing through the promastoid and epimastoid form, they again become trypomastoid, released into the bloodstream. And infective stage for tritomine bugs, no multiplication occurs in this stage. Multiplication only intercellular in the mastoid form. To the some extent as a promastoid form and epimastoid. Then development in the redwood bugs. Redwood bugs acquire infection by feeding on an infected mammalian host. Most tritomine bugs are nocturnal. The trypomastoid are transferred into epimastoid in the midgut. They are migrate to the hindgut and multiply. Eight stage is this is a turn develop into non-dividing metacyclic trypomastoid infective form which are excreted in the feces. Metacyclic trypomastoid in a hindgut. The development of the whole cycle of Trypanosoma cruzi in the vector takes 8 to 10 days, which constitute the extensive incubation period. Infective stage is a tritomine but takes a blood meal. Then diagnostic stage is a intracellular mastoid transfer into trypomastoid, then burst out the cell and enter the bloodstream. Pathogenicity and clinical features. The incubation period of Trypanosoma cruzi in man first to 2 weeks. The disease manifests in acute and chronic form. Acute Chagas disease, uh, acute Chagas disease occurs soon after infection and may last for 1 to 4 months. Then, uh, then first seen in children under 2 years of the age. First sign appear within a week after invasion of parasite. Swelling of the eye, tiredness, fever, rashes, loss of appetite. Chegoma. Chegoma is the typical subcutaneous lesion occurring at the site of inoculation. Inoculation of the parasite in the conjunctiva causes unilateral canalous edema of the periocular tissue in the eye, called as a Romana sign. This is a classical finding of the acute Chagas disease. Cheguma subcutaneous lesion at the site of inoculation. The typically Romna sign, this is a painless edema of the pericular tissue in the eye, also known as a Romna signs. Chronic Chagas diseases. Chronic Chagas diseases form in the found in adults and older children and becomes apparent year and even decade after the initial infection. In chronic phases, Trypanosoma cruzi produce inflammatory response, cellular destruction, fibrosis of muscles and nerves that control tone of the halo organs like heart, esophagus, colon, etc. Intracellular mastoid destroy the neural neurons lead to lead to the cardiomyopathy, megaesophagus, megacolon. Megacolon also known as megacolon is a dilation of the esophagus and colon. Congenital infection. Congenital transmission is possible in both acute and chronic phase of the disease, causing myocardial and neurological damage in the fetus. Lab diagnosis of the Trypanosoma cruzi. First stage is diagnosis demonstration in the blood and tissue and serological. Specimen blood CSF aspirated from the chegoma and tissue specimen. Second is microscopy. Microscopy acute Chagas disease required detection of the parasite. Peripheral blood microscopy bed mount thick thin smear detects trypomastogote. Then we take culture group triple and medium. Triple and medium this is so that Nove, Macneil and Nicole medium or Eggers liver infusion type 2 tryptose medium. Tryptose medium this medium is inoculated with the blood and other specimen incubated 20 to 24 degrees centigrade. Then every week for 6 weeks. Mastogote and trypomastogote are found in the culture. Culture is more sensitive than the smear microscopy. Then animal inoculation में mice, guinea pig, inoculated we done with the blood CSF blood, CSF lymph node aspirated. Look at the trypomastogote. Genodiagnosis. Genodiagnosis is this is a method of choice in suspected Chagas diseases. Examination are negative, early phase detection, vivid bug period, and a fit patient blood organism detect from the feces of bug. Blood smear after Jimsa stain, magnification, then lymphoblast type, trypanosomes, lymphocytes, then erythrocytes, thrombocytes, then trypomastogote form center position of the nucleus, then the posterior position of the flagella. Then blood smear center portion of the lymphocytes. Then large way biopsy of the lymph nodes. Histopathological examination lymph node and skeletal muscles aspirated from the chegoma, rival mastogote of Trypanosoma cruzi. Take histopathology. Histopathology biopsy examination of the lymph node and a skeletal muscle aspirated from the chegoma may reveal mastogote. That is a serological. Serological testing play no role in a diagnosis acute Chagas disease. First is the antibody detection in the serum. Indirect hemagglutination, complement fixation test, ELISA, indirect immunofluorescence, Chagas radiohuman precipitation assay is a highly sensitive and a specific confirmatory method for the detecting antibodies. This is a antigen detection from the serum can be detected in the urine and sera in patients with chronic Chagas diseases. Then ELISA developed from the detection of the antigen. That is a intradermal tested. Intradermal tested antigen fusion prepared from the Trypanosoma cruzi culture. Used for the intradermal test, delay hypersensitivity reaction is the seen. Molecular diagnosis by the PCR detect a specific primer. Development against Trypanosoma cruzi kinetoplastic nuclear DNA. Treatment of the Trypanosoma cruzi. No effective specific treatment is available for treating Chagas diseases. Uh, Nifro, Nifotimox and Benzinadazole have been used with some success in both acute and chronic Chagas diseases. Uh, Drugs kill only the extracellular trypanosomes, not the intracellular form. Nipotrimox 8 to 10 mg per kg for adults and 15 mg per kg for children. Drugs should be given orally. 4 divided doses each day for 90 to 120 days. Benzinidazole 5 to 10 mg per day orally for 16 days.